So welcome to base camp. This is our lean-to pine shelter. This thing's pretty sweet. It ain't much, but it's shelter. Campfire gonna be right there, keep it relatively small. Here's what she looks like on the inside. And then we kicked up this pine straw here for our bedding. So this is the view from inside the shelter. It is, for what it is, it's pretty toasty in here. So here's the loadout that we had. 22 rifle, Curtis had the shotgun, canteen, which worked out pretty good, surprised me, and then obviously the minimized backpack. And the shelter here took about an hour to build. Obviously it still needs work, but yeah, it was pretty good. Blocked a lot of the wind last night.